I'm ready to die.
You will die. You will die.
Stand up and go.
Stand up.
Just choose one. Stand up and go.
Stand up. Bring doctors here.
Stand up.
Enda juu tutabeba kubeba. Usijali.
I'm ready to die. Let me go and die. No, Omar died for his land.
When you be careful, he'll kick you. That man, why is he resisting? Why is he resisting?
I'm not resisting.
When you coming up, you're resisting. You're resisting.
You sit down. You sit down here. When you get down, that's it. They didn't die. That's it.
Don't shoot.
I could let me die here.
I don't slap.
You're spoiling God's wetland.
You're spoiling that, and I'm saying that you.
Don't pull the hand again. Pull the hand here.
He's scared. When you be careful, he will kick you.
Squeeze.
What happened now? Down the house. And I yet talk.
Try to move out one distance from there. Inside violence, and I'm told he's one of the people who bring marijuana here.
Come. Put on him.
Put
on him.
When you are peaceful like that.
If you're peaceful, they would not do that to you.
You're disrespecting your uniform.
Me?
Stand up.
I'm here to die.
Sit down.
We want to find out.
Are you saying that
I'm not supposed to be arrested by person. You should bring an officer to come and arrest me. No,
They will come.
They are not
and we
officers.
are
They are not
officers.
We are not
What are we?
Okay, you refuse.
Okay, how are we?
You refuse.
What are we?
If we are not an officer, who are we?
Which rank are you?
What is your rank?
Introduce yourself.
What is your rank?
Introduce yourself.
I'm a lieutenant.
So if you were a lieutenant, if you were a
Lieutenant tu namna gani unajua kazi yako?
lieutenant, when you retire, your rank is reduced to what?
No,
Sasa namna mumeamua.
It's not officer.
Namna mumeamua kuniua. Beba mimi au nikufa.
Okay, we don't have any problem. Yeah, what to ask them?
Me have worked for this station.
You want to now join me? Let's go. Once we solve this issue.
Since I retired from the home, no, I'm handcuffed.
okay.
Then why are you calling me?
You wait for a fan is coming.
I don't know officers. They know what to do. They know their job.
Let me tell you
our work.
Let me tell you.
You're in uniform. You're disrespecting the whole country.
My God.
The same God we all
the God that they serve.
We are all worshiping
that
same
God will deal with you. The God that they serve.
He's the one who told
that
us
God,
to come
that
and
God
rescue his wetland.
will know how to. No.
But you
That is
where
my
are the
land.
frogs sleeping now?
It is my land.
You have chased the frogs away.
Frog for what? Frog, do I eat frog? Is the frog feeding me?
You have chased the snakes
Are you
from
having
their
a
home.
land?
Me, I had a plan.
Do you have title?
Me, I had a plan to plant my coffee here.
Do you have land title?
Yeah, we shall go and sort it out.
Hey.
So if you know that you shall sort out, why are you arguing?
But you should not arrest me. You should not order them
I
to
don't
arrest me
arrest
this way.
people. Me, I'm just an officer.
It is you who ordered them to come and arrest me in a rude way. You ordered them.
It is the force that does arrest.
I had come to take water here.
For us, we
But
guide
after
where we can guide.
they misunderstood.
You just
They
came to take
did
water.
not allow me to take water. Instead, they put me in anchor.
No,
Should we give you water?
I had a plan to plant my coffee here
You
and
facilitate.
my dates
Afande.
here.
Afande.
Now you have arrested me.
Afande,
Yes, please.
I want us to reason on normal ground.
Mm.
Everything. You are a serviceman or you retired.
I retired.
You served in this.
The camp.
First
You
reason,
were what? When you were in the camp, we were sleeping outside.
Afande,
Now I've come back home to
Afande.
settle myself.
Afande.
Again, you want to interfere
I
with my peace?
know you worked with General Sejusa. Do you know General Sejusa?
No, me, I work with Otafire. I
Otafire,
work.
General Sejusa.
That is now your minister.
That
He's
is
the
now.
minister. Even now, let me talk to him.
You call him.
The issue is you first.
You call him.
You worked with.
I work with.
But you said the wetland is only for frogs and snakes.
Huh? I've been with him. Ongod.
Ngol Joseph.
Please
And
call him.
he's the one waiting for you in court.
Waiting for you in court.
Yes, me, I will go.
Yeah, send them
I can't
and
go. Let Aluf come arrest me. By the virtue of my rank, I'm not supposed to be arrested.
Now, where is your rank? Where is your rank?
why
is your rank?
resisting?
Why have you put on it?
Do you respect that? Do you respect that?
Put on your
Put on your
rank.
rank.
Maybe we can. But it by mouth we can't.
You are retired. You know that. Okay? I'm in the service. You understand that?
I can't go.
Listen to me. Listen to
Call
me.
me or kill me.
Listen to me.
The only thing I want is to kill me.
It's
Kill
okay.
me.
We are
Let me
going.
die.
No.
Kill me.
No, we are not here.
We are not here.
You are here to kill me.
We are
Because
going.
what you are
We are
doing,
not
you have done on me. It means you want to kill me.
No,
You want to kill me?
You resisted. That's
No, I didn't resist. I was
You
going to
resisted.
take water there. I was going to those food to take water. You allowed me
You
to
take
go.
water?
Yes, I was going to take water.
When you
there.
met us
Then
there,
they
what
said
did
I'm
you say?
resisting. When they gave me time to go and pick my ID, did I resist? If I'd wanted, I was going to run, but I did not run.
Yes, but when you are saying we go, you are
But they
resisting.
told you to go with you that you don't go.
You give a father call.
He's fighting.
You said everything.
Be careful, I found it. Hey, he's holding your hand. Be careful, I found it.
Fifi, be careful.
Let him just get in.
You get up and escape. You get the cap.
He's going.
You are going. You are going. Be careful with your hand.
He wants to gain more energy.
No, he will go. He will go. The problem is the problem.
You want to summon of your rank. He's here and
He and is fighting him.
Come on, come out here from here.
Be careful. Good.
It's okay.
Let him do anything he wants.
He's going to be.
Kamata mguu hii. Kamata hii.
Be careful.
Twende.
Toa pesa hiyo.
What's money? I think this is money.
hata kama nabaki bora.
Hapana.
He will kick up the way.
Wale mnataka kuniua.
We have come to arrest you. We have not come to kill.
Shida yako ndio nini?
Kwa nini wanasumbua watu?
Shida yako ndio nini? Shida yako ndio nini? Hamuka juu twende.
You just carry him.
Unataka kuniua. Wewe unataka kuua.
Wacha manyanga.
Kwani hapana kubali kwani?
Wewe
kubali mara moja makosa utajisote huko. Hizi inafanya
hakuna shida uua.
Tena kuanzia vitu gani?
Don't fight.
Sasa Wewe ita bibi yangu kuja baadaye. Patia bibi yangu pesa yangu. Give that money to my wife.
Hakuna.
Don't help her.
I want to secure your life. I want to secure
He's
your
there.
life. I want to secure your life. Let's go.
Let's go.